Welcome back to another video, guys. We're working on this 2-litre Jaguar F-Pace. It's the lovely, one of the best engines I've ever built, shall I say? I'm joking. So we've got P034200 camshaft position sensor A, circuit low input, bank 1 or single sensor. So we all know this 2 litre is known for timing chain. Now there are different camshaft sensors. The one that's been triggering this one is this sensor here. Now there's ways about it. If the timing chain has gone, there's a misplace, it's rattling, then yes, it's the timing chain, which this is more or less same scenario. But I'm only making this video to help you guys so you can eliminate it. So if we turn it on, so let's turn the car on. You see, it's a long delay for it to start. I know I've unplugged the sensor, irrelevant of that, but really rattly, and I mean it. However, in your case, let me switch it off. Engine lights on straight away as well, so there's no umming and ahhing in terms of, oh, it's going to come on in a bit. It's quite solid. So long story short, again, it could be the sensor, but that fault code you can definitely try, because they are known for it to go. If it is, change the sensor, just replace it with an OEM original, and that should hopefully fix it from your end. If not, then yep, just chuck out $1 or $2, one more or less, should we say, and just change the timing of the engine, timing chain, should we say, service that. They are known for it. Doesn't matter what mileage you do, really. It's just a common issue with them. You can replace that, reset it, move on if that helps, good. If not, then it's the timing chain of the engine, which I'm not going to do on this video, but you guys, I'm sure, can find others or find garages that can do it or specialise in this.